shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Awesome, that's pretty cool. You can imagine the anxiety I was feeling right now with the water on the box, but they bagged them so well that even the one that did leak, when I started peeling the bags away, probably had about 5 bags on it, so it was not a problem. I just put them in a bucket. But enjoy these original reactions of the unboxing. See the fish in a minute. I did hit the temperature gauge on the bag and it turned out to be 80 degrees. Oh man, that's sick. Dang. Thank you so much. Wow. Oh man, thank you. Oh man. Oh dude. Oh, there's 2 in there. Look at them. Oh man. Beautiful. All of them are alive. For harder water above 7.5 pH, they recommend the plop and drop method, but since I'm injecting CO2 and it's slightly different, I'm gonna drip acclimate them, and they recommend using Seachem stress guard while dripping, and this is to eliminate any burn in their gills, and it's got an antiseptic in there as well as a ammonia block, so it's good for them as they're transitioning. You can even add it to your tank. I have 7 lines running down, 1 into each bag, and an air stone in each, running off of 2 air pumps. I'm using a 1 ml syringe, and I'm injecting 0.25 mils of stress guard into each bag. The air stone during this process is the most important part, because the secondary thing that ammonia blockers deplete is oxygen. So any kind of AM block, stress guard, or prime, put in a bag, it's going to deplete oxygen, so you're going to want an air stone. Trying to video the unboxing myself was a little rough, so I apologize, but I finally got some help with the camera, and this is about 2.5 hours after dripping them, maybe 3. I used the bag as a net and just kind of emptied it in a bucket and transfer them over. All but 1 were fine when we dropped them in. This one kind of sank down to the bottom, and he just sat there breathing in the plants for about 40 minutes, but eventually all the rest of them kind of went down to him and he swam away with them, so everything's fine. I believe this particular fish, his bag stunk a little when we opened it, but I added a bunch of stress guard to the tank and made sure the lights were off to keep the stress down, and I didn't monkey with the tank at all this day. I kind of waited to the next day to do any kind of water changes or anything. On top of the stress guard, I also added 5 tablespoons of Fritz aquarium salt to the 75-gallon planted tank. They recommend adding 1 tablespoon per 5 gallons, but I'm not going to do that. I'm afraid to do that. So far, I just cut that recipe into 1/3, and I went with 1 teaspoon for 5 gallons, so it comes out to 5 tablespoons for the total. Diluted in a cup, it worked, and I haven't seen any detriments to my plants. And as you can see, all 7 of them are up and swimming, and this is about 2 hours after the plop. The very next day, they're up and eating and colored up and swimming, and man, I never thought I'd be in love with a fish, but I really hope you guys enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching and all your support. Take care. Oh, dude, they're so bad, man. Gotta love them. Thank you so much, Stendker, Discus USA, and all you guys for your help and support. Take care. Catch you on the next one.